In a world where every thought is shared and every memory is recorded, one woman was born silent. Elara Voss walked through the glowing neon streets of Abuja like a ghost, untouched by the swirling holograms and noise that consumed everyone else, until the day she discovered an old, forbidden device in a dying library. As the scientist's words filled her ears in the darkness, a horrifying truth began to awaken. She was invisible to their machines, unrecordable, the only one still truly free. But this freedom came at a terrible cost. People around her started forgetting everything they loved. Desperate for answers, she searched abandoned labs, received urgent warnings from the old, and formed dangerous alliances with the young. The memory loss spread like a virus across entire cities, turning people into empty shells. With agents and drones hunting her through rainy night markets, Elara ran through chaos no one else could see. Yet in the midst of the madness, she found something powerful: true silence. On a quiet rooftop at sunrise, she experienced real privacy for the first time. In her lonely apartment, she whispered her deepest secrets into the empty air. But when her closest friend forgot her own wedding day right in front of her, something inside Elara finally broke. She confronted the scientist in his hidden bunker, where he revealed the terrifying truth. The echo chips were never built to connect humanity. They were designed to replace it. Standing in a vast, glowing server room surrounded by thousands of stolen memories, Elara faced the impossible choice. With tears in her eyes, she made her final decision. And as a new sun rose over Abuja, the implants began to fall silent, one by one. She walked forward into the light, the last listener, carrying the final echoes of what it truly means to be human.